cups of cornmeal.
And it just keeps everything.
2 tablespoons sugar.
So like in your cakes.
Convection, right.
Convection is very
Shortens
Yeah.
your time.
We have a 1/4 cup of flour here. So right now, just cornmeal, sugar, flour. Again, I'm measuring this all out. Probably at home, I'd probably just be eyeballing it. Just keep those little things on there just so it can make it nice and smooth like that. We have all this together. We're just going to go ahead and get that nice and whisked. A lot of times I like to do this with any kind of baking, just because you want to make sure that, you know, baking powder is throughout, instead of just kind of throwing it in there and then starting to mix your wet ingredients in, because then you're getting some parts that are going to have baking powder and you're going to notice that it starts like puffing up over here and not over here. So just want to make sure you get all your dry ingredients mixed together. The yolk, so we're only going to use one of the yolks here. So 1 egg, and then a yolk. So you can go ahead and do this one of 2 ways. You can go ahead and use your hand if you don't mind getting dirty, or you can just go ahead and pass it back and forth here, and just let that yolk fall off. Definitely. This is our double handle. I'm seasoned already.
I just don't want to step off in the wrong direction, and I'm getting
From the
these
right
crappy
beginning.
results, and I'm like, but, you know, the beginning's kind of important.
Right. Alright, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and make a little well right in the middle. We're going to go ahead and add in about half of our wet mixture. Just go ahead and stir it in. Get everything incorporated here. Go ahead and throw in the rest. Right, you just want to get it just enough to get incorporated, because then you're taking a lot out. Your binding agent is the egg, so if you over whip it a lot, you're going to go ahead and make it a little bit more tough, and it's not going to stay as moist. It's just going to go ahead and kind of be real stale. It's going to go ahead and get real thin. And we want to allow a lot of air to be passed through it, so that way we can go ahead and make sure that it does bind, and it leaves a lot of those air pockets that kind of, you know, make it a little bit more fluffy as opposed to it just being very dense. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and slice up a couple very thinly, so that way we're not focusing on just the jalapeno being in there. We want it to be an accent to it. So we're just going to go ahead and get nice little slices here. As thin as we can get them.
Leaving the seeds.
Probably not going to bubble like it said, just because we already took this pan out a little while earlier.
With like different things.
Not necessarily layer, a little bit of a creaminess to the inside.
Yeah.
Just have to make sure that there's like a nice little pocket in there that's not gonna go ahead and explode. Like if you do have like a creamer, nice and even, go ahead and put that in. Add in some honey, and then you're gonna go ahead and see combine.
So how does I never had honey and butter. How does it come together and become thick again?
For University Health System.
And what we're trying to do is just make sure we get a nice little color from the jalapeños. Just go ahead and kind of brown them out. We don't want to cook them too long. So we have the cornbread, nice and brown around the edges here.
So we're 3
on
minutes
top,
away.
so they have like a nice on the edges here.
Oh yeah.
It's always that first piece that's hard to get. Hopefully more of the liquid than the jalapeños.
That's okay.